my channel. My name is Ashley. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve my everyday glam face, which is this here. This is something that I do when I'm in a rush to do my makeup, or let's say I don't know what I'm wearing yet. This is my go-to. It goes with anything, it goes with any outfit, any occasion. This is always a nice go-to. So if you want to find out how to get this look and the products that I use, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my foundation. I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation and my shade is Gingerbread. I've already dampened my beauty blender, and I recently just started using beauty blenders. I used to swear by a brush until one day I decided to use mine, and it's amazing. So this is all I use now.
Let me get this right, let me get this right. Say you ain't the jealous type, you gon' do me right. If you got a plan, I may be down to ride. I can see the way you move, you got a future bright. But understand, baby, don't need a boy, I need a man, baby. You gotta show me where you stand, baby. Cause I ain't had nobody love me lately. I can see me on the ground, I'm falling. I can see you on my mind in the morning. Love's a song, I'll be the verses, you the chorus. We smooth sailing, but the winds that got me nervous. So excited, ooh, you know I like it. I try, but I can't fight it. Is it that I'm tripping? Kinda crazy how you got me in my feelings. I just wanna take my time with my decisions. Got my attention.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go in and do my brows. They're already tattooed on, but I still add a little bit of pomade to them, just to give it more of a feathered look. And I'm using the Morphe Dipbrow in the shade Chocolate Mousse.
I try, but I can't fight it. Is it that I'm tripping? Kinda crazy how you got me in my feelings. I just wanna take my time with my decisions. Got my attention, you what I'm missing. But wait a minute, it's a lot to get you off my mind. You kinda popped up at the perfect time. Cause I didn't give it up too many tries. I'm scared to jump, but damn, you're so damn fine. You're like the sun and when the rain you shine. And I've been waiting on this all my life. You got me in my feelings. I just wanna take my time with my decisions. Got my attention, you what I'm missing. But wait a minute.
Alright, now I'm gonna take my Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in the shade Ebony. And I just lightly go over the tops of my brows instead of using pomade because I feel like it makes it look more harsh.
Mama used to tell me leave your ass alone. Never listened, had to learn it on my own. I still love you even though you did me wrong. Turn the chapter, now it's time to move along. So why you tripping? Gave you permission. You had the key to my heart, you blew out the engine. I'm on your feelings, I know you feel it. You can't find nothing in these good for nothing bitches. Used to fight for us, now I'm so over you.
Alright, so now I'm going to conceal my brows and clean them up a bit. I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer in the shade Tan.
Brush that shit off, I'm so deep in my zone. Please stop calling my phone. I'm so better alone. This that flexing, oh yeah. Out here swinging my head. I don't care, I don't care. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bounce it, oh yeah. You gon' hit it stairway. This that shit that ain't fair. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause I'm better for real. So you just gotta deal. Yes, it is what it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I used to look at you a king upon a throne. I used to give you what you need and what you want. Yeah, I can never be a house, it ain't a home. I would've rolled around till the wheels fall off that chrome. That's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. You know you wrong. You know you wrong. You playing games, I'm getting money, money long. But it's your loss. You pay the cost. It's crazy when I look at you, you turn me off. Used to fight for us. Now I'm so over you. You just ain't worth my love.
So now I'm going to use the same concealer and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes and highlight the rest of my face before I contour.
So deep in my zone. Please stop calling my phone. I'm so better alone. This that flexing, oh yeah. Out here swinging my head. I don't care, I don't care. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bounce it, oh yeah. You gon' hit it, stay away. This that shit that ain't fair. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause I'm better for real. So you just gotta deal. Yes, it is what it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bet you stressing. You gon' learn this lesson. Out here missing blessings. You might need a second. I got many questions. Don't that show affection? I gave you perfection till I caught you slipping. Now we got this tension. Where you burning bridges? I forgot to mention. Looking every girl you meet and try to find me, but you won't ever find another girl that's like.
So now I'm gonna go in and set my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Banana Bread. I usually use the Sacha Buttercup, but in the winter I get a little bit lighter, so this one works better for me.
You gon' hit it, stay away. This that shit that ain't fair. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause I'm better for real. So you just gotta deal. Yes, it is what it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bounce it, oh yeah. You gon' hit it, stay away. This that shit that ain't fair. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause I'm better for real. Yes, it is what it is. Oh yeah.
Now I'm going to go in and contour. I'm using my Morphe Brontour compact. This is in the shade Showmance, and this is what that looks like. You get your bronzer on this end and your contour on this shade. You get your bronzer on this end and your contour on this side. You know what I meant.
Go ahead and take it personal. Oh, you tried to play me, it ain't that easy. Bet you wanna know I'm bugging. It shouldn't matter with nothing. It's gonna hurt to see me in public. You can look but can't touch it. And I was like, so sad, the one your mama like. Lace up and walk right out your life. Oh, yeah. I told you that the last time was the last. No, you're thinking about me. Yeah. Well, I've been thinking about me too. About me too, one at a time. I discovered all your lies, then I followed all the signs, and it led me out your life. You thought that I was so predictable, you couldn't see me wanting more. I applauded at the door, had enough, didn't need an encore. But you wanna know I'm fucking, it shouldn't matter when
Now I'm going to go back in with the same setting powder I used and just carve out my contour areas. I feel like this is what makes the biggest difference, especially with a nose contour, is carving it out with your setting powder.
Yeah. Well, I've been thinking about me too. I've been thinking about me too. On that weekend of 3, 'cause I'm done thinking about you. It's time I think about me too. And I be like, oh, if you see me in the streets, don't speak. And I be like, oh, if you see me in the streets.
Alright, so now I'm going to go in and highlight. I'm going to be using the Artist Couture highlight in the, had it upside down, Artist Couture highlight in the shade Illuminati.
Yeah. Well, I've been thinking about me too. On that weekend of 3, 'cause I'm done thinking about you. It's time I think about me. I know you're thinking about me.
So what I like to do for my Cupid's bow and my nose highlight is use an eyeshadow brush just because it's more precise. This one is the Sigma E15, and that is what that brush looks like.
I'm a simple girl, living my life. I never did things like this. Once upon a time, I met this guy, stuck on his lips I kissed. Love, too hard I swear, play with my head, and that's how it got like this. Ain't nothing for real, let's keep it
So now I'm gonna go over my brows. I don't use a tinted brow gel just because I feel like they're never dark enough for me personally, because my brow hair is like thin, extremely thin. So I use mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash, but I would not recommend doing this unless you have like barely any brow hair like me. If you have regular brows, this is just gonna make them look black. So this is just what I do.
'Cause I just can't picture it. So stuck in my ways, I'll never change. No way you'll make me say.
Okay, so I went ahead and tightlined my eyes off camera. Basically all that means is just putting liner on your actual lash line. So it makes your lashes look a lot fuller when you put them on. So for my lashes, I'm gonna be using the Lilly lashes. This is the style Miami. This is what those look like. I don't really have a specific pair of lashes that I always use. I just use a pair that are like really wispy and something that won't weigh my eyes down and make them look darker. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put those on.
They don't need to know. Hold me close, but don't you think you got the best of me? Don't get comfortable, don't think that I wanna believe. Don't you fall in love, I'm never going up for keeps. They don't need to know, they don't need to know. Keep it all on the low, ain't gotta show it. Long as you know, you be my secret. Anything goes, baby. They don't need to know, they don't need to know. Keep it between us, they don't need to know. It's just our business, they don't need to know. I got trust issues, let's take it really slow. They don't need to know, they don't need to know.
All right, so these are the lashes. This is what they look like. Like I said, just really wispy, nothing too extra. So now I'm gonna go in and get into my lip. I always do a gloss. I alternate different glosses, but it always is a gloss with my everyday look. All right, so for my lip liner, I'm using the Urban Decay Conspiracy. Obviously, this is my fave because the pencil was this long when you buy it. But yeah, it's just a really nice rose tone, kind of mauve lip pencil that goes well with anything you wear, literally anything.
I've been here for you, what is you thinking? I got the realest shit on my mind. I hate it when you're staring all in my eyes.
All right, so for my gloss, today I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. This is the new shade, and that's pretty much it. I do this gloss and the look is complete.
The best you had, the best you had, the best you had. Yeah. Fuck a bitch and tell me she your friend. I can't fucking comprehend. Help me understand, help me understand.
Okay, lastly, I'm gonna set my face, which usually I would do like before I put my lashes on, but I kind of forgot, so. So for that, I'm using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Cherry Setting Spray. This one was my first all-nighter purchase ever. I usually use the MAC Fix Plus, but this one smells really, really good, and so I bought it. And it also works really well. Like, my makeup stays on really, really well with this too.
What is you thinking? 'Cause I can't believe you let me go after I've been here for you.
All right, so this is the finished look. I hope you all like it, and thank you for watching. Like I said, this is just a look I do when I'm either in a rush, but I need to do my makeup, or I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet, but I need to do my makeup now. I'll do this look because it goes with everything, literally everything. So this is my go-to. This is like something I personally would do on a regular basis just because I like a full face. This may be too much for some people, and that's fine. I'll also be doing my 6 a.m. makeup routine because I usually work at 6 a.m. So I'll show you guys that too. That's definitely a lot less steps than this and a lot less makeup. But your skin and your face still looks really fresh and pretty. So I'll do a video on that too. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. I'm also gonna list all the products I use, including brushes, in the description box, and my Instagram handle to follow my makeup page. And I will see you all next time. Thank you.
For the ones that's always in my business, come and gather round for a listen. Honey, I ain't never been a mistress. I don't spend no time up in my feelings, cause I got a whole lot of pretty little country girl in the city. Always on the go, so they miss me. Had to get 2 phones, been busy. You hear me? Ready. Full force, move steady. Always on snatch like spaghetti. I can show you if you let me. Follow my direction.